Hey guys, I'm Dallas with SFR. Today we're in Valley of the Moon in California, and I am here to show you our Scratchuatch wheel rings for the Bronco Sasquatch wheels. Now, you might notice, obviously, we've got them color matched to my cyber orange Bronco here. We also are going to be offering these in a number of other colors, both to match the factory colors and also few more popular ones like black and silver. Big things about these: they're made out of a tough, durable thermoplastic. They can take a hit. I got really sick of taking my rings back to the powder coater every time I dragged them against a rock. I've seen other guys where the whole ring is just a chewed mess, and especially the black ones, they just look terrible once they're all scratched up. And you take them on a few wheeling trips and you got a nice beautiful new Bronco with terrible looking wheels. So I got tired of the expense of fixing my rings, came up with these. Beauty is you can drag them against a rock, they're tough, they can take it. You'll get some gouges in it, but from 10 feet away you don't even notice because it's all the same color. These are solid plastic. In addition, if you do gouge them up, these are 6 separate segments. So all you gotta do is change out one segment. Some of the other benefits: the stock rings, the bolts hang out really far. You tend to drag them against the rocks and mess up the head of the bolts. Then you can't get the tool in there to take them out. These also protect the spoke of the wheel a little more with the design. Makes them a little more interesting to look at as well. But one of the big things, since they are in segments, you can replace individual segments with different colors. You can do patterns, all sorts of different ways to customize, make it your own. And for me, I'm not a very good driver. I tend to bang things up, so easily replaceable. So come and check out the new Scratchuatch wheel rings on either StinkyFab.com or Scratchuatch.com. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. We hope to see you on the trail soon. And be sure to swing on by StinkyFab.com for everything you need for your Bronco or Jeep.